In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Students, today our topic is impedance. Impedance. The definition of impedance is the combined effect of all the resistances I mean R, XL and XC. The combined effect of all the resistances in the circuit, in AC circuit, is called impedance. It is denoted by Z. So Z is equal to, so we all know in AC circuits we have the three components: resistor, capacitor and inductor. So Z is equal to R plus XL plus XC. स्टूडेंट्स इनका जो कंबाइंड इफेक्ट होता है उसे कंबाइंड इफेक्ट ऑफ ऑल द रेजिस्टेंसेस is called impedance and it is noted by Z, and Z is equal to R plus XL plus XC. Because it is a resistance, so that's why its unit is ohm. Its unit is ohm, and impedance is equal to Vrms divided by Irms. So that is the formula for impedance. By using Ohm's law, Z is equal to V over I. So that is the Vrms divided by Irms. अब स्टूडेंट्स इसमें एक बात आपने ज़हन में रखनी है कि अगर एक ऐसा सर्किट है जिसमें ये हमारे पास एक सर्किट है, लेट्स सपोज इसमें एक रेजिस्टर लगा हुआ है और एक कैपेसिटर लगा हुआ है, ये हमारे पास एसी वोल्टेज सोर्स है, दैट इज आर, दैट इज सी, दैट इज द कैपेसिटर एंड दैट इज द रेजिस्टर. तो देन द कंबाइंड इफेक्ट ऑफ ऑल द रेजिस्टेंसेस, आई मीन वी हैव द टू रेजिस्टेंसेस, one is R and the other is XC. XC means the resistance offered by the capacitor to AC, and it is named as capacitive reactance. So that is named as capacitive reactance. So in this case, impedance is equal to R plus XC. And similarly, if we have the two components, I mean resistor and inductor. So that is the inductor, yeah. And that is the AC voltage source. In this case, there will be an impedance, and it is the combined effect of R and XL. What is XL, students? It is the opposition offered by an inductor to AC circuit, and it is named as inductive reactance, and it is noted by XL. So Z is equal to R plus XL. तो स्टूडेंट्स हमें ये पता चल गया कि एसी सर्किट में ये तीनों कंपोनेंट्स भी होते हैं और इनको भी आप इम्पीडेंस जी से इम्पीडेंस आप कैलकुलेट करते हैं, इम्पीडेंस जी से दार करते हैं. और अगर रेजिस्टर के अलावा कोई एक कंपोनेंट भी हो, जैसे कैपेसिटर है, जैसे इंडक्टर आपने लगाया, तो तब भी आप इम्पीडेंस ही यहाँ पे लेंगे. तो स्टूडेंट्स कंबाइंड इफेक्ट ऑफ ऑल द रेजिस्टेंसेस इन दिस सर्किट in AC circuit is called impedance, and it is noted by Z, students. So its SI unit is ohm. Z is equal to VRMS over IRMS. Thank you students.